Hey friends, welcome to Tips with a Twist. I'm Lisa here with my best bud Brax, who is obsessed with these nails, especially the sharp stiletto shape, perfect for back scratches. Today we'll show you how to get the flawless nail foil application that's easy and eye-catching. But this technique works with any foil, so make it your own. Tip number 1, measure, cut, and prep the foil. Hold it against the nail to size it, then cut. It's important to note that some foils have a film on the back that needs to be removed with acetone or alcohol. Check the brand's instructions, and if you're unsure, test a small piece first. Tip number 2, prep nails for better adhesion and to prevent lifting or peeling. So lightly file the shine off natural nails or enhancements. Brush off the dust and cleanse with Young Nails Swipe or alcohol. Once dry, apply primer like the Young Nails Protein Bond. That's my favorite. I'm using Le Chap Aurora Gel Polish, a pink holographic shade similar to the foil but less vibrant. Because tip number 3 is to choose a base color that matches your foil to disguise any imperfections. Tip number 4, use a detailer brush to paint close to the cuticle for a clean, precise line without getting gel on your skin. This makes your manicure look neater and helps disguise growth, keeping it fresher for longer. I use McCart Nail Art Foil Glue, a gel that needs 1 minute in an LED lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp to cure before applying foil. There are many foil adhesives out there, just follow the brand's instructions for whatever you use. I also follow tip number 4 again, applying the foil gel with a detailer brush to get as close to the cuticle as possible. Once that's cured, I apply the prep foil onto the nail. Tip number 5, use a tool to firmly press the foil over the entire nail for full coverage. I prefer a cuticle wood stick, but silicone tools work well too. Just avoid anything sharp that could tear the foil. Then press into crevices near the cuticle and along the free edge. If needed, reapply foil to any missed spots. And for a flawless finish, tip number 6 is to apply a second coat of gel and foil to cover any imperfections. It makes a huge difference. Then apply your top coat. I use Young Nails Ultimate Finish Gel, which is a no-wipe gel top coat. Since it's a hard gel, it's really only meant for enhancements, not natural nails, so just be aware of that if you're going to use it. Then tip number 7, apply 2 coats of the top coat, sealing the free edge to prevent peeling. And check out that flawless finish. Add some gems to elevate the look even further. Try these tips and let me know what you think in the comments. Or, if you want the look without the work, contact me for custom nail sets. Info's in the bio. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.